Hi, I'm Chef Peter. Today we are making spinach and ricotta frittatas. Our ingredients are eggs, spinach, ricotta cheese, and sliced onions. Now we got our ingredients for the frittata. We start off with our sliced onions, put them in the hot pan, and want to saute them just a little bit. Get them a little bit browned, a little bit color to it. We don't want them that hard. We want to soften up the onions a little bit with the process what we are doing here. And if we saute the onions, they get kind of sweeter with it too. Like it's a process, it's almost called like caramelizing the onion. So they get a little bit sweet, they release some water and some more, and enhance the flavor. When we got the onions at the desired temperature, we add the spinach and mix it all up together. And just let it sit like this. Then we use our ricotta and put some dollops just in the spinach and onion mix. And add our eggs to it. A frittata, it's a Spanish omelette. So it's basically like you make an omelette at home, but you just keep it in the pan, move the egg around a little bit and loosen up the edges so it can truly cook all the way through. At this stage we can add some salt and pepper to it, to your taste. And we just have to be patient so the egg bakes all the way through. And you will see when we turn it over later, the ricotta made some nice, really white dollops in the middle. And when you eat your frittata, you can bite into like a nice chunk of ricotta, which is very nice. And here we got our beautiful spinach and ricotta frittata.